Second question, if A is equal to 3 by 3 matrices is given, and again B is equal to one more 3 by 3 matrices is given, then find the rank of A, B and rank of BA. So before finding the rank of A, B and BA, we'll have to find A, B and BA. A is given and B is given, so we'll have to find the multiplication of A, B, okay. So we'll just write A is equal to your 3 by 3 matrices 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 3. And B is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4 minus 6, 5, 1 minus 1. So first they have asked you to find A, B and BA. So first we'll go to A, B. So multiplication of two matrices, that is A, B. So we'll just write A and B together. So 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 3 into your B now. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 5, 1 minus 1. So now we'll have to multiply the first row and first column elements. You'll have to multiply. Then the first row and second column, first row, third column elements. Okay. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column elements. You'll have to multiply. Okay. 1 into this minus 2 you have to multiply. So you'll have minus 2. So write together with that. Okay. Now minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So that is your first row, first column elements. Okay, now first row, second column element you have to multiply. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into this 4 is plus 4. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now your first row, third column element you have to multiply. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 1, it will become plus 1. Now the same thing with your second row, you'll have to do it. Second row, first column element, second row, second column, second row, third column elements. Okay. So which is equal to 2 into this one. 2 ones are 2. Minus 3 into minus 2, so you'll have plus 6. Minus into minus, it will become plus. 3 2s are 6. 4 into 5, 4 5s, I will get 20 with plus. Now the same second row with second column, 2 into minus 2 you'll have minus 4. Minus 3 into 4 you'll get minus 12. 4 into 1 is plus 4. Same second row, third column element, 2 3s are 6. Minus into minus is plus. 3 6 are 18. Then plus into minus is minus. 4 into 1 is 4. Now with the third row, you'll have to do the same thing. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Okay. So 3 into this one. 3 ones are 3. Minus 2 into minus 2, you'll have plus 4. 3 into this 5. 3 5s are 15 with plus. Now third row, second column element. 3 into minus 2, you'll have minus 6. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. 3 ones are 3 with plus, so plus 3. Now third row, third column element, 3 3s are, you'll get 9. Minus into minus will become plus. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 6 are 12. Again plus into minus, you'll have minus. 3 ones are 3. Now we have multiplied all the elements. So you'll have to solve it. Okay, so 1 minus 2 minus 5, you'll have minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1, you'll get minus 6. Same way here, minus 2 minus 1, you'll have minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So plus 1 you can give. Now here both addition is there. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now everything is addition only. 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. So minus 4 plus 4 will become 0. So you'll have minus 12. 6 plus 18 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. Now everywhere it is addition only. 3 plus 4 plus 15, you will get 22 if you add it. Then minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 3 is minus 11 you will get. Now 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 minus 3 is 18. So this is your AB. So now we'll have to find BA, which is equal to, we'll have to write B first, then A. Okay, so B is 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 4 minus 6 5 1 minus 1 into your A is 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 3 4 3 minus 2 3. Now we will have to do multiplication. First row and first column, first row with second column, again first row with third column, you will have to multiply as we have done in AB. Okay, so going to a multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 2 you will get minus 4, then 3 into 3 is plus 9. Again first row second column, 1 ones are 1, then minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now first row third column, 1 into minus 1 is there, so we will get minus 1, minus 2 into 4 you will get minus 8, 3 into 3 is plus 9. Now going to your second row. So second row, first column, again second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay. So minus 2 into 1 you will have minus 2. 4 and 2 is an addition, so 4 2s are 8. Minus 6 and 3 is minus, you will get 18. Again same second row, second column, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Minus 6 into minus 2 is plus 12. Now your second row, third column, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. Minus 6 into plus 3 is minus 18. Now your third row, again with your first column, second column, third column you have to multiply. So 5 ones are 5. 1 into 2 is plus 2. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Now your third row, second column, 5 ones are 5. Then 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Third row, third column, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 1 into 4 is plus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Equal to, we'll have to solve now. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Plus 6 and minus 6, it will become 0. 1 is there, so I can give 1 over there. Now minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9, it gets 0. Then minus 2 and minus 18 will have minus 20. Minus 20 plus 8 is minus 12. Next plus 12 and minus 12 will go, so we'll have minus 2. Now plus 2 and 16 is there, so it will become 18. Again 18 minus 18 is 0. Now the last row, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 5 plus 2 is again 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now minus 5 and minus 3 it will become minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. So this is the answer for BA. So we have got the value for AB and BA. We will have to find rank of AB and rank of BA now. So first we will find for matrix AB the rank. Okay. What we have got before that AB answer, I just wrote it here. The first thing is you'll have to see in your first row, first column element, that should be 1, okay. So you can see everywhere, but only one is there. So what I'm going to do is this column you can interchange it, okay. So that is column 2 and column 1 we'll have to interchange. So that is C1, interchanging is double side arrow C2. So which is equivalent to the column 2, you have to write it in column 1. So 1 minus 12 minus 11. Now column 1 you'll have to write it in column 2. So minus 6, 28, 22. Column 3 as it is, minus 2, 20 and 18. Now we have got 1 in your first row and first column element. So to get your echelon format, your second row first column element should become 0. Third row first column element should become 0. I've got minus 12. So this 12 has to be multiplied in row 1, then subtracted from row 2, you will get your answer 0 here. Same way 11 is this, that 11 has to be multiplied with row 1 and subtracting with the row 3, you will get your answer, okay. Now row 2 we'll have to change it, that is row 2 gives row 2 plus 12R1, because already minus is there. So if you put again minus, you'll get the number over there. So plus should be there, then only you can subtract and get 0 over there. Same way R3 is, again R3, since minus is there, we'll have to give plus 11, you'll have to multiply, okay. So 11 R1. So we'll just do this in rough column and get back the answer, okay. So it is R2 gives R2 plus 12 R1. So R2 is second row, minus 12, 28 and 20. R1 has to be multiplied by 12, okay. So the first row has to be multiplied by 12. So I'll get 12 minus 6 into 12 is 72. Again minus is there, so minus 12 2s are 24. Now subtracting, as it is you can subtract it, don't change the symbol over here. So subtracting will get 0. 28 minus 72 will have minus 44. 20 minus 24 is minus 4. So this is your first condition answer. Now going to your second condition. R3 gives R3 plus 11 R1. R3 is row 3. So minus 11, 22 and 18. Row 1 has to be multiplied by 11, okay. So row 1 multiplying by 11, you will get 11 ones are 11. Minus 6 into 11 is minus 66. Minus 2 into 11 is minus 22. Now as it is you can subtract. So I'll get 0. 22 minus 66 is minus 44. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. So we'll just take these two answers and write it here, which is equivalent to 1 minus 6 minus 2. Row 1 is there as it is. Row 2 answer we have got it here, 0 minus 44 minus 4. Row 3 answer is 0 minus 44 minus 4 again. Now we'll have to take third row and make your third row second column element 0, okay. Then only we'll get your echelon format over there. Otherwise triangular format you'll get zeros over there. So here also minus 44 and here also minus 44 is there. So straight away you can subtract it. So the condition will be R3 gives R3 minus R2. Why that minus is? Already one more minus is there. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So plus into this minus, you can get 0, okay. So minus R2. So now writing this condition here, R3 gives R3 minus R2. Now R3 we'll have to write, that is 0 minus 44. Next is minus 4. This is your row 3. Now we'll have to take row 2 and write it over there. 0 minus 44, again minus 4. Now we'll have to subtract it. So subtraction is there, so we'll have to change the symbol. For 0 no need to give. Here minus is there, so give plus. Again minus is there, give plus. So 0 you'll get 0 itself. Minus 44 and plus 44 you'll get 0. Same way here minus 4 and plus 4 is there, you'll get 0. So again getting back to your question. So your row 1 is here, 1 minus 6 minus 2. Row 2 is same as it is 0, minus 44, minus 4. Row 3 is this answer. So 0, 0 and 0. So now we have got triangular format of 0, otherwise echelon format. Therefore you can write the matrix is in echelon form. The matrix is in echelon form. So now we'll have to find the rank of the matrix. Before that, you'll have to find number of non-zero rows. So number of non-zero rows we'll have to find it. Okay, so that is equal to, just see how many non-zero rows are there. Here we have got one row, and here also we have got numbers. So 2 rows are there, but seeing a third row, everywhere it is 0. So it is a 0 row. Okay, so 2 rows are non-zero rows are there. So you can declare your answer 2. Therefore row of A is equal to, otherwise rank of AB. Okay, so row of AB is equal to 2 here. So this is the rank for your AB. This is the matrix BA. So we'll have to find the rank of a matrix BA. Okay, so first element should become 1. So what I'm going to do is change your column 2 and column 1, that is interchanging your column 1 and column 2. You'll get C1 interchange to C2. So your next line is equivalent to column 2 has to come to column 1. 1 minus 2 and 4. Column 1 has to go to column 2. So 6 minus 12, again 4. Column 3 as it is 0, 0, minus 4. Now your second row first element should become 0. Same way third row first element we should make 0. Okay, so for that what we can do is, here 2 is there. So multiply this 2 with row 1 and then subtract it. Again multiply this 4 with row 1 and subtracting, we'll get the answer. Okay, so the condition is row 2 gives row 2, since the minus is there, so we'll have to add it. So plus 2 times R1. Again R3 is row 3, since plus is there, so we'll have to give minus. So minus here 4 times R1 row 1. So we'll just do it in rough column and get the answer here. Okay, so R2 gives R2 plus 2R1. So R2 is as it is, so minus 2, minus 12, 0, and R1 has to be multiplied by 2. Okay, so row 1 multiplying by 2, 1 is here, so 2 1s are 2, 6 is there, 6 2s are 12, 0 into 2 is 0. Now just add it, no need to change the symbol. So minus 2 plus 2 will get 0. Again minus 12 plus 12 is there, that also 0. 0 and 0 is there, you'll get 0. Now row 3 gives row 3 minus 4 row 1. So row 3 is 4, 4 minus 4, and row 1 has to be multiplied by 4. Okay, so 1 into 4 is 4, 6 is there, 6 4s are 24, then 0 into 4 is 0. Now we'll have to subtract it, so change the symbol. Plus is there, give minus, again plus give minus, 0 you can leave as it is. So 4 minus 4 you can cancel, you'll get 0. 4 minus 24 you'll get minus 20, minus 4 plus 0, again minus 4 you'll get. So just take these answers and write it here. It is equivalent to 160, first row as it is, second row 0 0 0 is there, so you can give 0 0 0, third row 0 minus 20 minus 4, so 0 minus 20 minus 4. Now we should make this place 0, but here just see your second row, everywhere it is 0. So what I am going to do is interchange your row 2 and row 3. Okay, so interchanging your row 2 and row 3. So your next step will be 160, first row as it is. This will go to row 2. Okay, so 0 minus 20 and minus 4. Now this will come to row 3. So 0 0 0. So now we have got the echelon format over there. So otherwise triangular format it is there. So this matrix, the matrix is in echelon form. Now we will have to see the number of non-zero rows. Okay, so number of non-zero rows is equal to, just check it here. So first row we have got number, so this is one non-zero row. Again second row we have got numbers, so one more non-zero row. Third row everywhere it is 0. Okay, so that is a 0 row. So 2 rows we have got non-zero numbers, so we can write it is equal to 2. Therefore rank of BA is equal to this 2. So this is the answer for your second question.